So the car show right now is going to be happening a month out from now, a little bit less than that. So here's the whole list of what we need to do. We got, oh yeah, there we go. Hopefully the car does run good. Okay. Is the fuel pump. I ripped out my whole fuel system and I'm gonna rewire it and redo it again. Torque is a little bit lowered. That my tits are a little too big. Sadly. No, you're lying. Pulled the wrong wire through that hole. I just pulled my ground wire instead, this wire, when the whole time I was trying to pull the positive wire. So, test one to see if the fuel actually turns on. We have fuel, kind of. Okay. So now we have the fuel pump wired up. Now we just need to do the fuel lines, which is now a whole other process in itself. So I now have fuel all hooked up, going down there, all the way down through here, and it's the wrong hole, but you know, it don't matter. So, how I got it, it's a little funky, but so fuel obviously comes out of here, hits the 9 degree, yeah, and then hits this is, I forgot how big the filter is, but it hits the first fuel filter and it gets out all the big stuff, and then goes to the fuel pump, and then hits another fuel filter, and then hits the regulator, which goes into there. And when I put the car onto run, if I find the keys again, I keep losing fucking keys. It's right. Yep. Car gets fuel and spark. Better off that way. I wasted all this money. Oh. Get in there. Oh my god. This was it. Oh no. It's too fucking big. Fuck. Okay, so I'm back. We did most of the stuff that I wanted to do to AutoZone, but I kind of forgot to return that hose, but it's okay. I'll return it another day. And also they didn't have the radiator hoses I was looking for, but I ordered one of them. Let's see what you want. Well, it sounded like she was trying to run. She was trying to. I don't know. I think I just had not enough.
Yeah, there ain't no pass.
Yeah. Alright, bro.
Hell yeah.
Here, free plum back there.
Oh yeah, it's working. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was like, a little bit too fast, bro. Whoa. You let off, and it was like, okay, it was steady. And then, like, for 5 more seconds, it went crazy.
What the fuck?
What?
So, obviously, this is your throttle, right?
Yeah.
And this is the idle screw. And right now, the idle screw's not even touching this.
Oh, snap. Oh yeah, so it's literally just like, it feels like it's just going open throttle.
Yeah, so it was already like halfway
Oh shit.
open. And then, yeah. So I need to like figure out.
So I guess you just gotta adjust your idle and that's it.
Yeah.
'Cause it seems like you kind of had it down.
It was getting there. And then.
Yeah. I don't know where'd I go.
Let me just kind of just.
That's mad janky, bro.
I got you. Cameraman Carlos here.
Okay. Yeah. Not the move. But,
I think.
but now I can actually smell it. I think my dad's this is like set like down here.
Yeah, like around that on that bolt.
Yeah. I can actually get it, bro. Fuck.
Shoot, bro, you be going to the gym? Come on now.
Have you been? Let's see where that takes us.
I'm trying to start it again.
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, I got my drink.
Yo.
Disconnected.
Think of it as like a quick release one, bro.
Quick release fuel pump? Nah, bro. Yeah. Not in the middle of the road. Oh. Bro, I can't be having my fuel pump be quick releasing on me.
Yeah, bro, just in case, bro, you know? Just cause like a fire or some shit, I don't know. Starter.
Damn. Oh. Just all came out. It's like, oh. Bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, we actually got it, bro. That's crazy.
That's wild.
I think we gotta tone it down just a little bit. I think it's good.
Just a little bit. Let me just give it like maybe like half a turn or two.
Damn. It's just falling off. It's just falling off, man.
Okay.
Just everything in here, bro.
Okay, so. got a little. Let me
Ooh.
just put it back.
Yo!
Oh my god.
It moves.
Bro, it moves.
It moves.
Bro, this thing probably hasn't moved for like 20 years.
Holy shit.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo! You can literally hear it.
Oh yeah, maybe it's just because the towel was muffling it.
See anything?
Nah. I think maybe.
Wait.
Oh, that's new, huh?
See that? Right here? Really right there.
You think it's coming out over here?
It's coming out right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Or you can literally see the drops coming in from here. Like, get on my side. That's the title of this video. We got this rust bucket to move.
But my whole plan is to take it to the next Cars and Coffee.
I respect that.
That's why, like, I'm like really trying to.
I mean, you don't gotta rush it though.
I don't want to rush it, but I'm like, I want to. My goal, for, like right now, is just to get it to the next Cars and Coffee.
This year?
Yeah,
You're trying to get it done this year though.
this month.
This month?
Yes.
Hey, yo, relax.
The brand new one.
Because you need better tires for this though.
Yeah. Maybe this would work.
Isn't that the old hose?
It is the This one, I don't know exactly, but that was.
Oh shit. Yo. That one's definitely a lot worse. Oh, you got it? You got something?
I think it's that angle.
Is that angle?
It's just like
Hold on, let me try and like pull it down.
Yeah.
Same time.
Did
Yo!
I poke your hand, bro?
How you good? Oh, we can just kind of figure it out.
I'm gonna be going there in the morning because I told the lady, be like, oh yeah, I'll pull up in the morning to go get the hose.
And she's like, oh, okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, we fucked up.
Is that not coming out? No!
She's on there, Chief.
Nah, just gotta give it the beam.
Oh, fuck.
Ah. Sitting here. Look at that.
Oh my god,
That's
bro.
where it was, bro.
Jeez.
Yo.
Fuck,
Still
bro.
in a state of shock right here, bro.
It's been like what? Like from like day one of starting it, it's been like almost like more than a year, like a year and a half.
The spots, I feel like would be fine for now.
Yeah, but I don't know. I kind of want to just paint it just like one whole color, just to
Oh, kind of like that stand.
Yeah, I kind of like. I just want to get like one of those just big like turbo cans, like you know those.
Oh,
Just,
yeah, like the freaking.
yeah, and
You
just
can spray a whole car on it.
yeah.
I mean, good. It's still crazy, bro.
Yeah.
The fact that it moved is crazy.
Bro. Oh my god, bro. It's really like kind of settling in now.
Yeah, no, it's just like.
Cause like I looked at the engine stand, I'm like, bro, it was on that at one point.
Yeah, no.